I care about my kids, all 30 of them, and I can't help but worry about what they eat. I'm no food expert, but I see what my kids bring for lunch, and I know what some families just can't manage. Parents are doing the best they can, but I felt like something had to change. So I did my research. I talked to the parents. I spent the time, and nothing changed. I didn't realize the change could start with me. I was so focused on what my kids eat, but really, it's about how they eat. Nüton is a team of registered dietitians. They help educators like me teach about food and eating. Nutrition is about making choices, sure, but that doesn't mean some foods are right and others are wrong. Nüton showed me that when kids feel comfortable around food, they're more likely to enjoy a wide variety of food. I don't have to stress about changing their lunches. I can change their perspective, and that could change their lives. If you want to do the same for the kids you teach, Nüton is here for you. Share this video with other educators and sign up for a free educator workshop at nüton.ca.